snap-on from Key programmed with this snap-on Solus Pro. You know, it's the battery. The last time I charged this battery up on this was last year, and the battery's brilliant. It's still got a screen protector on. Let's turn it off. Turning off. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, comes with main unit, USB cable, in-car power lead, which never used, the main data cable, which you use to connect between the unit and the key adapters, AC adapter, slim box, battery charger. You also get the original CDs. Oh, bit hand-handed. There you go. Hands-on train and the documentation. Safety manual. Let's chuck it in there. The auto data, still an envelope in there. You also get the main snap-on 16.2 application guide, so it gives you all the vehicles covered and what the device can do and what it covers and what it can program and what it can't. On the last page it gives you a list of the keys. Now on here you've got the main key set, which is everything on that list, all the keys, or you've got the Ethos key set, which is the only ones marked with E. Well, because this is Solus Pro, I have the whole key set. I have all the keys from S2A right down to S71. I do not have S76, which is Dacia or Dacia, whichever way you is pronounced, and key 70. Key 76 and key 74, which is for the later Mercedes. And you scroll down even further, then you've got K7A right through to K25. There's 5 keys there. They are these blue ones here, which is used for Chrysler and Jeep. You know, K13, 19, 20, 22 and 25. And you have 2 date leads. This is for the UK or European keys, S keys, which are these green ones. There's 32 there in total, from S2A right through to S71. And then you have this OBD2 lead, which is for Chrysler, which is for these blue keys. And if you notice, they have a different pin out compared to the European. And you get everything in a nice sturdy Solus Pro case. So if anybody's interested in buying this, give us a shout. Yes, it will be listed on eBay. But yeah, if you're interested, post a comment. Thank you for watching and subscribe.